Hey guys, welcome. We are going to do lesson 18 for phonics, so let's get busy. Let me get rid of all these things. And let's present it. All right, lesson 18. So we're learning targets. I can write descriptive sentences, and it says I can edit and publish an opinion piece about Kate's book, but we're not doing that. Remember, we don't do the writing portion of the phonics. So we're going to start off with some dictation today. And you'll need to take out your whiteboard and your marker, all right? And I'm going to say some words. After I say the word, you will write it on your paper. I will say each word twice and we'll sound it out slowly. All right. So there are going to be 8 words, but they're not actually words. They are sounds. They're consonant sounds. So number 1, ch, ch. What makes the ch sound? Write it down. Number 2, j, j. Write down the j spelling. Number 3, n, n. What makes the n spelling? Number 4, k, k. What makes the k spelling? Number 5, s, s. What makes the s sound? Number 6, g, g. What makes the g sound? Number 7, z, z. What makes the z sound? Makes my ears vibrate. Number 8, our last one, m, m. What makes the m sound? All right, so let's look at these, all right? I am going to stop sharing so I can show you on the board. All right, so for these sounds, for the ch sound, you could have written ch or tch. I would accept either one, okay? Number 2, the j sound, I would take the j, the g, or the ge sound, j. The third sound, n. You could do a single n or you could do a double n for n. Number 4, the k spelling. You could do it as a c, you could do it as a k, you could do it as cc or ck. So you had 4 different spellings, and I would have taken any of those. Then you have the s sound. You could do a single s or the double s for s. Number 6, the g sound. You could do a single g or a double g. Number 7, z. You could do z, s. Remember, we do have some s's that sound like z, and we have a double z. And then our last one, number 8, was the m sound. You could do a single m or a double m. All right, m. Great job, guys. Now, you don't have to turn those in, okay? This was just practiced. just listening for sounds and writing down what you hear. Okay. Now let's go back to our thing here. Get rid of everything that I need to get rid of. All right. Now, let's work on some grammar. Let's work on some grammar. Let me move myself down a little bit. You've learned about 3 types of sentences. We've learned about statements that end with a period. We've talked about sentences that ask questions and they end with a question mark. And then we have exclamations. That is an exciting sentence. So remember, with grammar, we're going to be building some sentences today. We're going to practice building these sentences. That means we will practice making our sentences longer. So repeat this sentence after me. Nan cooks. Nan cooks. Okay, now I'm going to build this sentence by saying what Nan cooks. What does Nan cook? Turn and talk with somebody there at your house. What does Nan cook? Okay, Nan cooks corn. So let's build this sentence too. What adjective can we use to describe what type of corn Nan cooks? What about the adjective fresh? Nan cooks fresh corn. That's getting better, right? So where does Nan cook the fresh corn? Turn and tell somebody there that you're sitting by. Where would she cook fresh corn? In the kitchen? Let's see. Nan cooks fresh corn in the kitchen. Great job. So let's look how we've built our sentence. We went from Nan cooks corn, Nan cooks fresh corn, Nan cooks fresh corn in the kitchen. Wow, what an amazing sentence we built. So each sentence became much more easier to imagine because of the details we kept adding. So let's look at this one. Tim and Jane dance. So let's practice this process with these sentences. Tim and Jane dance. So let's build that sentence. Oops. Tim and Jane dance where? In class. Tim and Jane dance in class. Okay, what type of dance are they going to do? Tim and Jane square dance in class. See how we've added different words to the sentence to make the sentence bigger and expand. Look at Dad snores. Dad snores how? Loud. Dad snores loud. Where? In his chair. All right, Dad snores loud in his chair. See how the sentence has become expanded? All right, so let's look at this one. Alan flips. Let's build this sentence by saying what Alan flips. What does Alan flip? So turn and talk to somebody beside you. What does he flip? Alan flips a coin. So I'm going to build this sentence by saying where Alan flips a coin. Where do you think Alan flips a coin? Turn and talk to somebody beside you. Alan flips a coin in the air. Now, what kind of coin does Alan flip in the air? Share with somebody beside you. Alan flips a silver coin in the air. Great job, guys. Look how the sentence is built. Alan flips a coin. Alan flips a coin in the air. Alan flips a silver coin in the air. See the difference between the sentences? So each sentence became more and more easier to imagine because of the details. So we went from Alan flips to flips a coin. He flips a coin in the air. He flips a silver coin in the air just by adding those details. All right. Let's build this sentence by saying what Ginger finished. What did Ginger finish? Share your idea with a buddy. Ginger finished her math problem, right? Ginger finished the math problem. Okay. Where did Ginger finish the math problem? Where was she? Share with your partner. At school? Ginger finished the math problem in her class or at school. Good. Ginger finished the math problem. Ginger finished the math problem at school or in her class. Great job. Notice each sentence became more and more easier to imagine because of the details. Now let's do another one. I'm going to build this sentence by saying what Sam made. Sam made something. But what did Sam make? Share your ideas with a buddy or someone beside you. What did Sam make? I think he made a gift. Sam made a gift. Okay, well, if he made a gift, who did he make a gift for? Can you tell your partner that's beside you or your buddy beside you? He made a gift maybe for mom. Sam made a gift for his mom. So Sam made something. Sam made a gift. Sam made a gift for his mom. So just looking at those sentences, it became more easier to imagine because of those details. Because when Sam made something, it's like, well, what did he make? Who did he make it for? But with that last sentence, we know he made a gift and we know who he made it for, Mom. So here's two more sentence frames. Kate found and Jack skipped. All right. So on this, I want you to practice this process with these sentences. I want you to practice these on your whiteboards. Kate found. What did she find? Okay. Jack skipped. Where did he skip? Think about that. All right. So you work on those two sentences and make sure to expand them out. So that's the two sentences that I want you to work on right now. Make sure that your sentence has at least 5 words in it, and it can be about what you want it to be about, okay? So if you look, Kate found, what did Kate find? And where did she find it? Jack skipped. Where did he skip? So those two sentences, okay? So make sure to share your sentence with somebody beside you at home. We're going to skip this writing process because we don't do the writing here. And then you do have a take-home sheet. Let me get to it over here. And it's the visit. It's just a reread of the visit. That's all that's on here, okay? So make sure that you reread that. And our learning targets, I can write descriptive sentences. All right, guys, that is the end of this lesson. Make sure you complete those 2 sentences, all right? And I will see you back here tomorrow. Bye, guys.